Yeah, this is delicious. This is delicious. This is what women make at home by themselves at 3 in the morning, maybe 4, depending on what your time zone is. Okay, everyone, anyone who might be out there, we're back. I can't sleep because my mind is too active tonight, so we're gonna do some late night cooking. I guess I'm gonna make some chicken because that's what I got. So anyway, I'm gonna open up the chat. Just give me a moment. I'm a little intoxicated, I'll admit it. There's a lot on my mind, justifiably so I don't feel bad about the state of mind that I'm in right now. Sorry about the stream going down before, but that's what my stream seems to do consistently. And then I can't stop the stream for whatever reason because it's weird. But anyway, I'm back and we're gonna cook some chicken, I guess. Chop up the onion. Okay. We're in good shape. I have a whole bunch of like leftover ingredients that I can use with this chicken. So that is what we're going to cook with this evening. Here we go. So we are going to make some chicken tonight. I'm not going to really make any vegetables or anything with it because I'm just in the mood for some meat. I'm a meat eater and I love mushrooms, but I got some onion and stuff also. So I got my pan. Why you ain't getting this dish? Do you want to know why? You want to know why, assholes? Because you treat women bad. When you treat real women bad, you don't get to have this kind of food. You get to sit at home on your little keyboards trolling, thinking to yourself, why am I so alone? Why am I so alone? Why is my stomach grumbling? Why am I watching these cooking shows and these cooking streams on the internet? Well, it's because you're an asshole. That's why. That's why. So if you start acting right, you can meet a woman who can make you some freaking food to where you're not sitting at home watching a cooking stream. Yeah. Bet you didn't think that you were going to hear that tonight, but you are today. Yeah, it looks delicious. You could have it. You could have it if you acted right when it came to women in your life. Lower your expectations a little bit, bitches. Stop listening to these weird incels who are actually dudes in the closet trying to keep you lonely, acting stupid. That's the reality. That's the reality. And yeah, this is delicious. This is delicious. This is what women make at home by themselves at 3 in the morning, maybe 4, depending on what your time zone is. That's right. All you little assholes sitting at home. I'm on a supermodel. Bitch, you ain't hot enough. And onions, cream sauce, chives, black pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, olive oil, butter. I'll be okay. Thanks for carrying slimes. Seriously.